Hey viewers, welcome to Master Designs. Tonight I'm going to show you how to draw a wildmutt from Ben 10 Omniverse. You've seen me draw wildmutts like on a few rare occasions. You already know that wildmutt is one of my favorite aliens from the Omnitrix. We know that his alien race is Vulpamancer. Drawing this guy is really easy. To draw wildmutts, you must start with the upper half. Of course, when drawing wildmutt, you must, even though wildmutt doesn't have any eyes, you must start with the lower jaws. And, well, to be honest, I've wanted to get my hands on a wildmutt action figure since I was 9 and 11. You know that wildmutt is one of my favorites. Never exactly got a chance to get one, even though they were seen in these giant packs. If you guys have a spare one, I'd be happy to take it off your hands. My P.O. Box number is 733 Woodbury, New York, 11797. Just like I mentioned in the last one. Here's the Omnitrix mark on his chest. Here's Vulpaman. Here's Wildmutt's paws. Here's Wildmutt's paws. For quite some time now, Ben 10 Omniverse has been a big hit, especially on action figure sales. What I'm looking forward for is Ben 10 Omniverse having another season. I want Ben 10 to have another season instead of that dumb reboots that they created. I mean, seriously, the reboot's not even good. It's just some tacky ripoff version of their own series. I mean, they ripped off Humongosaur, they ripped off Water Hazard. That character didn't even look like Stinkfly. Looks like a new type of alien. And third of all, Kevin's alien, Bashmouth. We never got to see what Ben's other half was. Ben's Omnitrix form of Bashmouth was. And lastly, I wanted to see more. Here are the gills to Wildmutt's body. There we go. And, well, I can't believe they ripped off Upgrade. He's supposed to be green, not purple. Get it right, man of whatever your creator's name is. There he is. That's how you draw a Wildmutt. Anyway, that's one of my best aliens that I've created. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what character you want me to draw next in the comments below. And if you have any action figures that you don't need, involving Transformers, Ben 10, Bakugan, let's see, Sonic the Hedgehog. What else? Oh yeah, definitely Transformers, especially Ratchet. My P.O. Box is 733 Woodbury, New York, 11797. And I'll let you know what interesting character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Oh yeah, don't forget about Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Stegosaurus, see you later.